Welcome to Dan the Cleaning Man, your go-to source for strategies that can supercharge your business in 2024. If you're ready to up your client acquisition game, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into proven commercial client acquisition tactics that will help you attract, convert, and retain clients like a pro. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest business tips. Now let's jump in. We all know the saying, it's not what you know, but who you know. In 2024, this couldn't be more relevant. Networking isn't just about collecting business cards, it's about building genuine, valuable connections that can lead to sustainable growth. Start by identifying key industry events, both online and offline. Engage in conversations that showcase your expertise and offer value to others. Don't hesitate to reach out to potential partners or clients on LinkedIn. Remember, it's about providing solutions, not just making a sale. But here's the twist. Instead of focusing on what others can do for you, think about what you can offer them. Whether it's a collaboration, a referral, or just a useful piece of advice, leading with value will make you memorable. Next, let's talk about the powerhouse that is digital marketing. With so many businesses competing for attention, how do you stand out? The answer lies in a robust digital strategy. First, SEO. In 2024, Google's algorithms are smarter than ever, focusing heavily on user experience and intent. Make sure your website is optimized with the latest SEO practices. Think fast load times, mobile optimization, and content that answers your audience's questions. Then there's content marketing. Provide valuable content that educates and informs your audience. Blog posts, videos, podcasts, whatever format resonates most with your target market. Don't just promote your product. Become a go-to resource in your industry. And of course, social media. Platforms like LinkedIn and Instagram are crucial for B2B and B2C businesses alike. Tailor your content to each platform and use targeted ads to reach your ideal clients. Remember, consistency is key. Post regularly and engage with your followers to build a loyal community. A well-constructed sales funnel is your secret weapon for turning prospects into paying clients. But in 2024, it's all about personalization. Start by clearly defining each stage of your funnel: awareness, interest, decision, and action. Tailor your messaging at each stage to address your client's specific needs and pain points. For instance, use lead magnets like free ebooks or webinars to capture interest at the top of the funnel. As prospects move through your funnel, nurture them with personalized email campaigns and targeted content. The key here is to make them feel understood and valued, like you're the perfect solution to their problem. And don't forget to track your funnel's performance. Use tools like Google Analytics or CRM software to monitor conversion rates and make data-driven adjustments. A little tweak here and there can significantly improve your results. Acquiring new clients is great, but retaining them? That's where the magic happens. Client retention is the backbone of long-term success, and in 2024, it's all about creating an exceptional client experience. Start by over-delivering on your promises. If you say you'll deliver in 2 weeks, aim to get it done in 1. Surprises like these build trust and loyalty. Regular communication is also crucial. Keep your clients in the loop with progress reports and ask for feedback to show that you care about their satisfaction. This not only keeps them happy, but also provides you with valuable insights to improve your services. Consider implementing a loyalty program or offering exclusive perks to your long-term clients. A little extra effort can go a long way in making them feel appreciated and more likely to stick around. And there you have it, proven commercial client acquisition tactics to boost your business in 2024. Whether you're just starting out or looking to scale, these strategies will help you attract and retain clients more effectively. Remember, the key to success is consistency. Apply these tactics regularly, monitor your results, and be ready to adapt to the ever-changing business landscape. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more actionable tips and strategies. Let's make 2024 your best year yet. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.